And we're actually in high waters right now.
We're at Elbow Ledge.
You heard him right, guys. Elbow Ledge.
Iconic Point.
That's a conic point.
We're now looking at low tide.
But it's also high waters. But it's also low tide.
High waters from the hurricane.
If you guys aren't aware, Hurricane Harvey, I think, or a hurricane from Florida, or north of Florida. Isn't that correct, Daddy? Alright. So yeah, that is correct. That is just something you don't see every day.
This is the elbow, buddy.
This is the elbow ledge. The 13 elbow. 13 feet. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's 13 feet. Now, nobody ever gets to see this, so we just got lucky.
That's awesome.
This is Baby Bruce signing out.